So we're here at my bedroom and ngayon, kita nyo, yung laundry ko. I'm currently folding them and it's just like very messy right now. My room is quite messy, hindi organized, hindi maayos, and then I don't know what to do. Actually, kakauwi ko lang. Galing ako sa bahay namin and nagkaroon kami ng konting celebration kagabi. A little like shot. And right now, my apartment is really a mess. As you can see, that's the proof. So, una nating task is lilinisin natin ang aking room. Done. I'm done cleaning this room a little bit. And then I also got rid some of my clothes. Pamimigay ko na lang sila. So, si mama yung bahala dito kung kanino niya pamimigay. But like, we've got it all, boy! And please, if ever man na hindi niya na ginagamit yung mga damit niyo, wala naman talaga silang sentimental value for you, and hindi mo na siya ginagamit, and nakastock lang siya, pamigay niyo na lang, di ba? Para hindi na lang masayang or something. Or kung ayaw pamigay, tapon niyo na. Hindi alata, pero I'm so busy, I'm so tired. I think I will get like another coffee. Bumili ako ng McDo kanina. I will need to like do some work tasks today. Kaya day off ko. Fuck! And bigla akong na-realize nung nakaraan na konti nang nakikita kong mga independent gay guy here in like rural or province side. I'm from Pampanga. So few ang nakikita ko. Okay, just to clarify, hindi ko ginajudge yung mga hindi independent or hindi din nag-out with this particular vlog. I'm just like really wondering why ang konti ng mga kagaya kong independent and as well like gay here in the province, or hindi ko rin ginajudge why are they like that. Hindi ko sinasabi dapat maging kagaya ko sila. So possible, marami pa rin yung mga natatakot, marami pa rin yung hindi comfortable living alone. Kasi nga, nasanay nga tayo na here in the Philippines, nasanay tayo nakasama natin yung family natin throughout because family-oriented, di ba? Which is, again, wala namang problema doon. But at some point din na syempre, meron tayong kanya-kanya mga napagdaanan na sa life na hindi din natin sila masasisi bakit sila ganun. Right? Nakaka-receive ng mga backlash or nakaka-receive ng mga negative feedback yung mga taong nagiging independent. Especially yung mga wala munang asawa. Diba typically, nag-aasawa muna before maging independent. Yun yung napapansin ko. And especially to the people that are part of the LGU. And shout out to my gays out there. I love you. And support you. Okay, back to the video. Medyo nahihilo ko. Ano po nang gagawin ko? Hindi ko magpapahinga ba ako? Or like magnanap ba ako? I think magnanap ako. Kahit isang oras lang. And then,
you wanna take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then. Good night.
Good night.
Don't judge me. Kumakain na ako sa room. Mainit sa labas, okay? Naka-aircon ako dito.
Dahil ako, meron akong prinsipyo, may dangal, at ganda.
Baka mga amoy keme-keme. Nasa sa akin na yun. Okay? So, calm down. Calm your pussy. Wala naman akong air freshener, so it's okay. So, it's 2 PM. Wait lang, nasan yung go-work na ako. In a bit. Tapos ko lang to. Or pwede rin na ako mag-work. Actually, wait. Check ko na lang emails ko. Check ko mga emails ko. Gusto ko sana tomorrow, more chill. Pero hindi ko sure. Minsan, hindi natin alam talaga kung ano nangyayari. Do we? Do we know really what's happening?
Give me strength, Lord.
By the way, Makain ako ng toast. Toast na merong star margarine, longganisa, longganisa, and then egg. This one, egg. Fried egg. Baka magpuyat ako today. I don't know. Baka. Para matapos ko na yung mga dapat tapusin. Para hindi ako magra-rush tomorrow. And then, if ever, baka tomorrow, mag-start na ako mag-edit ng vlog na to. Itong vlog na mismo to, start na nag-edit. Kasi, girl, I am busy as fuck. And nabibilib ako sa sarili ko na nagiging consistent tayo sa pag-upload ng ng content. Kahit super busy ko na. So, I will do my morning pages before I work because nakalimutan ko. Meron pala akong morning pages na dapat gawin. Ganyan yun. That's better. Okay. This morning pages, kahit hindi na morning. Okay, shut up. Just kasama siya sa daily task mo dun sa The Artist Way book na binabasa ko na hindi ko pa nababasa ulit. I'm busy. Basically, you are like going to like write anything for 3 whole pages and like just let it all out. Para siyang diary or journal. Like, you can write anything. Or being creative, your ideas, what are the things that, just anything that you want to talk. Period. Are we all good? Are we like living? Like, how are you? Like, I really need to get a life, huh?
Yup.
If hindi na ako mag-work, magkakaroon na unlimited money. Why not? Nice! Let's work! Bayot. Ow! Good morning. Nakatulog na ako kahapon. Hindi ko na film dahil napaka-professional kong vlogger. Nakakaloka. So, ngayon, mag-exercise tayo. I'm gonna do my morning jog. And then, oh, I'm wearing the same shirt. Wala kayong magagawa. Okay na yan. Yan yung ano ko. Yan yung gagawin. Yan yung suot ko. So, hindi naman kayo naglalaban ng damit ko. So, good morning. Ganda ng moon. Sinira ng mga wires. Puta! Wow. Grabe. More than a year na ako dito sa place namin. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito. This is new. Wow. I love you, Quen! Ow! Got my coffee. Oh. Yes!
Why are you gay?
Now, I will go ahead and write my task for today. Ginagawa ko siya dahil makakalimutan ako. My brain is so powerful. Ang dami niya na iniisip. Kaya, nakakalimutan niya lahat. Kasi if hindi ko to gagawin, walang mangyayari sa akin. Magiging unorganized ko and wala talaga mangyayari kung hindi ko to gagawin. I think I'm good. So, nandito na rin naman ako. Gagawin ko na yung morning pages ko. So, very productive ha? Wala akong choice. Hey! Nag-break lang ako ng konti. So, right now, gonna start working. My day off! You're so funny! Appreciate my blanket. Ow! Yes! So, we were gonna cook and I decided to make pancake. So, I will show it to you how I make it or how I made it. Hindi ko na alam yung grammar kasi nag-stop na ako mag-work. Okay, so right now, ito yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin. Medyo dirty ang aking kitchen, unfortunately. Pasensya na, wala na kayo magagawa, nandito na kayo. Siguro alam niyo naman paano gumawa ng pancake, guys. Pero this is how I made it, okay? Add an egg. Hindi ko alam bakit ginagawa ko itong tutorial. Alam ko namang alam niyo gawin to. Stupid bitch! Yes, hindi ko alam yung paano i-angle to. Bago lang ako dito, pasensya na. Okay. So I will be mixing. I am independent for quite some time now, 7 or 8 years in Macau. So, okay na to. Dami kong talak. I will cut these bananas into small pieces and then i-add ko sila dito and then we can start frying them. Wow! Hindi ko alam kung paano i-edit yun. Paano kayo transition yun? Ulit. Ayaw mo na nga. Okay na yun. 3. Cook. 2 hour pace. Hindi ko, nakalimutan ko kung ano yung tawag dun sa anong tawag dun sa Filipino dessert din. Na, nakalimutan ko yung word, yung name. Yung parang, ganito din siya, na banana or something. Normally, minsan inaano ko, dinudurog ko ng konti. Star margarine, if on a budget.
This has sheep. What the
konti lang. Hindi ko alam bakit na naging cooking show. Normally, yung ginagawa ko is tinatakpan ko. And I will show it to you why ko tinatakpan.
Clap if you care. Clap.
Oh my God, messy. Ayaw mo na. Wala naman kayo magagawa. Pinapanood nyo na to. Let's see. Oh my God, I'm scared. Ma. Ooh, perfect!
I do not want to comment. You want to be on top?
Tcharan! Hindi yan sunog. Sunog ba? Don't mind it. Ako naman yung kakain. So, that's that. Yes. with the mango, and then with the banana. Normally okay na ako dito, but ako zero.
Masyado kang maarte at madrama.
If wala akong available na syrup, meron akong ganito. Like parang condensed something for creamer. Yes! Yes! It's giving diabetes! Woo! Well, wag kayong magreklamo, hindi naman kayong kakain ito.
So, I want to know, did your parents support you in being a male model? All the way, right from the start? Even your father?
I think I will end the vlog here. I was just gonna like continue watching movies. Ang tagal ko na hindi nanonood ng movie. Yeah. We'll just continue relaxing, I guess. Just watching and don't do anything because I think I deserve it. No, I deserve it. What the hell? Deserve ko to, no? Yeah, see you next week. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section if you want me to do any type of content or just tell me what you want me to do or wala na. Just, you know, comment down below kung ano gusto niyo sabihin. Kahit ano naman dyan, ilagay mo dyan, okay? And then like this video as well. Alright, bye!
Masyado kang maarte at madrama.